Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Alesis Vortex Wireless 2. We'll explore the various ways to link your keyer to your computer or other MIDI devices. You have the flexibility of using a wired USB connection, the included wireless USB receiver, or a traditional 5-pin MIDI cable. Before you begin, always check that your system meets the necessary requirements for smooth operation. For a direct and reliable connection, use a standard USB cable. Simply plug one end into the USB port on your Vortex Wireless 2 and the other into an available USB port on your computer. The Vortex 2 is class compliant, meaning it typically doesn't require any special driver installation for Mac or Windows operating systems. Once connected, open your preferred music software and select the Vortex 2 as your MIDI input device. Experience freedom of movement with the wireless USB receiver. Insert the small USB dongle into an open USB port on your computer. Next, power on your Vortex Wireless 2. You can use 4 AA batteries or USB power. The receiver and your keyer are prepared from the factory, so a wireless connection should establish automatically. Then, simply select the wireless receiver as your MIDI input within your digital audio workstation. If you're connecting to an external sound module or an audio interface with traditional MIDI ports, use a 5-pin MIDI cable. Connect one end to the MIDI out port on the underside of your Vortex Wireless 2. Then, plug the other end into the MIDI in port of your external device or audio interface. Finally, ensure your music software is configured to receive MIDI input from your interface, allowing you to control your hardware synths.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.